Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with AWS S3 for file uploads from mobile apps, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the AWS Management Console at console.aws.amazon.com. Log in with your existing AWS account credentials. If you don't have an account, click on Create a Free Account and follow the prompts. Once logged in, navigate to the S3 service by typing S3 into the search bar at the top. Click on the S3 option from the drop-down menu. In the S3 dashboard, click on the Create Bucket button to start a new bucket. Choose a unique name for your bucket. Make sure the bucket name adheres to AWS naming rules. Select the AWS region where you want your bucket to be created. Click on Next to move to the configuration options. In the Configure Options section, you can set up versioning and logging as desired. Skip these options for now and click Next. In the Set Permissions step, uncheck Block All Public Access if you want mobile apps to access files publicly. Be aware of the security risks and set permissions according to your needs. Click Next to review your settings. Once satisfied with your configurations, click on Create Bucket. You will now see your newly created bucket in the S3 dashboard. Click on the bucket name to access its settings. Go to the Permissions tab to manage your bucket policy. Click on Bucket Policy to define specific permissions. Add a policy that allows public access for file uploads. This policy will typically look like JSON code with permissions set for your app users. Save the changes once you have defined the policy. Now, navigate to the IAM service in the AWS Management Console. Create a new user by clicking on Users and then Add User. Choose a username and click Next, Permissions. Attach the existing policies that grant access to S3, or create a custom policy if needed. Finish creating the user and note down the access key ID and secret access key. These keys are necessary for authentication from your mobile app. In your mobile app, integrate the AWS SDK for your programming language. Make sure to include the S3 service in your SDK setup. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.